How to delete a photo or post from Instagram. A step-by-step guide. In this guide, we will learn how to delete a photo or post from Instagram quickly and easily. Follow these steps to manage your Instagram posts efficiently. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where all your uploaded photos and posts are displayed. Select the photo or post. Browse through your posts and click on the one you want to delete. Access the Options menu. Once the photo is open, tap on the three dots, M', located at the top right corner of the screen. Choose the Delete option. From the menu that appears, select the Delete option. Confirm deletion. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click on Delete again to remove the photo or post permanently from your account. You can repeat this process for any other posts you wish to delete. And that's it. You have successfully deleted a photo or post from Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this post and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.